In this video, we are going to see how to use scope resolution operator in parent as well as in child class, as well as when we work with constants and static properties and methods. So let's get started. So we use scope resolution operator when we deal with the static methods and properties as well as constants. So I have here a class, base class, you can see here, and currently it has two properties and one function. Function is doing nothing. And also I have a child class subclass which is extending base class, so it is inheriting property and method from the parent class, which is base class. So for example, let's do this. I'm going to instantiate the child class first. So I'm going to say here $sub is equal to sub, it's going to be new sub. Alright, now here I say $sub, and I'm going to call the function that is saying hello world. So hey hello, so that's it. Now it is returning, so we need to put echo to see what is happening. And now if I go to the browser and refresh, it says hey hello. Alright, now the thing is, if I want to print, instead of hey hello, I want to print the age. So what I can do, I can say here parent, and then I can say age. It's going to be capital as it's a constant. So if I go to the browser now and refresh, we get the number. So it is from the parent class and it is calling for the constant. Now this is how you call calling constant from parent class. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to comment this one, and now I want to call the name. So here what we need to say, we are going to say similar way, return parent, so it's referring to parent class, and we will say okay, it's a static property, so call name. Now when we use static scope resolution operator, we put dollar as well. So here I'm gonna save this, we go here, we refresh the page, we get the name. So this is how you use it, how you call it. Now this is happening when you're doing it in the child class. Let's do it in the parent class itself. So I'm gonna comment this, and as well as this. Here I say $base is equal to new base. Alright, and here I'm going to say $base, and we call the function just the same way. Now I call display data currently, and I want to echo it so we can see the output, so I say echo here. Now here, if I want to print return the age, I will be saying self, and we will be calling age. So this is how you'll be printing it. So if I go here and refresh, we get 21 again. So it's coming from here. So I can copy this comment here. And we can comment this. Now if I want to print the property, so we can do the same. We just need to say return and property. For that we need to say self, and this time it's going to be $name. Alright, now we'll go here and refresh, we get menu. So this is something that you'll be using it. This is called scope resolution operator. So when we're using constants, you define constants, you call one in one class or the other, you will be calling it this way. If it is in parent class or in the same class, you will be using self. In the parent class, you can use this way. So it's very useful. You should have the understanding how it works. Hope you liked it. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. And